Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Simba here. Just wanted to go over a review of this Bauer 20 volt 5-inch Random Orbital Sander that I've had for about 2 years now. It's an 8-hole hook and loop and or Velcro. Came with a dust collector. Its speed is 10,000 orbits per minute. The weight on this is 2 pounds, I believe 3.39 pounds. Very ergonomic handle on it. I've gotten a lot of good use out of this sander. Primarily use it for light sanding. So I use the 80 grits and things of that nature on my corded Bauer sander. That's my workhorse, this one here. I'll do a review on that one in upcoming video. And I normally use the cordless Random Orbital on light sanding with the 120 and 220 just for finishing. So with that being said, and also this is model number 1817C-B. So let's see how she works, how she operates after 2 years of abuse. 5 amp hour battery here. Slide it in the back. Let's see her in action. Putting a little pressure on it, taking it very well, not bogging down or anything. Just cleaning up the back side of my sign here I've been working on. Smoother out. Now this dust collector was empty, so yeah, you can't even see in there. Works pretty efficient. Very nice. Just to give you an idea, the dust collection does work. Doesn't pick it all up, but it does work. It's well enough for me. Now I have to clean her up and get her back in her resting spot. As you can see, I have a lot of the Bauer line. I'm heavy into it. I have the pole saw, the blower, hedge trimmer, the grass and shear shrubber, the fan. Down here I have the shop blower mini, inflator, jigsaw, I want to say floodlight. That thing is awesome. It's extremely bright. Circular saw, 1/2 inch, impact wrench. This is the 1/4 inch impact driver. This is the 1/2 inch compact hammer drill. 3/4 impact wrench. 90 degree, the angle drill. I'm sorry, 1/2 inch angle drill. 90 degree angle drill. The grinder, 18 gauge brad nailer, chainsaw, and I have down here the radio, the little light, sander, and the shop light. It's coming together, guys. But until next time, thanks for watching. Out.